Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best MIG welder is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for both professional fabricators and DIY enthusiasts alike, capable of joining a wide array of metals with precision and efficiency, making it an essential piece of equipment for anyone involved in metalworking projects, from automotive repair to artistic creations. Number 5. FORNEY Easy Weld 140 amp Flux-Cored Welder. This welder is designed for simplicity, using 0.030-inch flux-core wire with infinite controls. It's the perfect choice for beginners looking to get started. With a 140 amp output, it can weld up to 1/4-inch mild steel. Weighing just 19 pounds, it's easy to take wherever your projects are. Your purchase comes complete with an 8-foot MIG gun, an 8-foot ground clamp, and a versatile 20 amp to 15 amp adapter. Constructed with a durable all-metal case, this machine is built to withstand daily use and demanding jobs. Enjoy the convenience of a welder that doesn't require gas. It runs on standard household power with a 20 amp breaker. Visit our brand store on Amazon to discover recommended accessories and consumables that complement your new welder. What we like. This welder is incredibly convenient as it does not require gas and can run off standard household power. If you are a beginner looking for an easy-to-use, no-fuss machine for DIY projects, this is a great choice. Its portability makes it ideal for taking to different locations for various projects. What people say. The machine is very easy to set up and operate. It has a good range of power settings that allow for precise control. The build quality feels solid and durable. Number 4. YESWELDER 135A MIG Welder 3-in-1. Get started with welding right away. This versatile machine handles gasless flux-core MIG, stick, and lift TIG welding. It comes with flux-core wires, perfect for outdoor or windy conditions as it doesn't require heavy shielding gas cylinders. Our upgraded synergic control automatically adjusts voltage to wire feed speed, making it incredibly easy for beginners. Professionals can fine-tune the arc with micro-adjustments, allowing for precise control on thin materials without burning through. Easily see your welder's settings with our advanced, oversized digital display. It offers enhanced clarity, even in bright sunlight, allowing you to monitor real-time current for precise welding control. Weighing only 11.4 pounds and featuring a carrying handle, this welder is your perfect on-the-go companion. It delivers a robust 135A output, capable of welding mild steel up to 332 inches thick, with an upgraded drive system for smooth wire feeding. Your safety and the longevity of the device are paramount. It includes built-in protections against overcurrent, overload, and overheating, ensuring a stable arc and fewer interruptions. What we like. This machine masterfully handles gasless flux-core MIG, stick, and lift TIG, making it incredibly versatile. If you're tackling auto repair or DIY jobs and need precise control over thin materials without burning through, its synergic control is a game changer. The clear digital display also makes it easy to monitor settings, even in bright conditions. What people say. This MIG welder is a great machine for the price, it has a lot of power and is very easy to use. I love this MIG welder, it is the best one I have ever used. It is very powerful and welds very smoothly. This MIG welder is a fantastic addition to my garage. It's powerful, reliable, and easy to set up. Number 3. ARCCAPTAIN .030 Flux-Core Welding Wire. Introducing our .030 Flux-Core Welding Wire. It's designed for gasless operation, allowing for easy all-position welding with single and multi-pass capabilities. Experience a smooth arc and excellent feedability with minimal splatter. The internal flux provides shielding for beautiful, clean welds every time. This self-shielded wire performs exceptionally well on rusty, dirty, or painted materials. It's also resistant to oil contamination, making it ideal for outdoor or challenging environments. Each spool is vacuum-packed to ensure it remains waterproof, moisture-proof, and dust-proof. This professional packaging guarantees optimum welding performance. Rest assured with our TUV test-passed welding wire, crafted with the finest materials. It's the reliable choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. What we like. This welding wire is designed for gasless MIG welding, making it perfect for outdoor or windy conditions where shielding gas is impractical. If you often work on rusty, dirty, or painted materials, or need a wire that's forgiving of base material contamination, this is an excellent option. Its vacuum-packed professional packaging ensures optimal performance. What people say. The welder is very easy to set up and use, even for beginners. It provides a clean and strong weld with good penetration. The machine is compact and lightweight, making it portable and easy to store. Number 2. ARCCAPTAIN 200A Stick Welder. Introducing the ARCCAPTAIN 200A Stick Welder, designed for effortless operation. Its intelligent LED screen provides clear, accurate data, making it easy to read even without removing your helmet. Perfect for various rods and ideal for outdoor maintenance, garages, farms, and home DIY projects. Experience seamless welding with its synergic control. Simply select your electrode diameter, and it automatically adjusts current and voltage, making it beginner-friendly. Professionals can also fine-tune the current for their specific needs, thanks to advanced MCU and IGBT inverter technology for stable arcing. Take your welding anywhere with this incredibly lightweight welder, weighing only 7.2 pounds. It comes with a handle and shoulder strap for easy carrying, making it convenient for transport and storage. This versatile machine offers both stick and lift TIG modes. Enjoy smooth welding with adjustable hot start and arc force, and an automatic anti-stick feature to prevent electrode sticking. It's suitable for various metal materials and even supports lift TIG functionality. Rest assured with its robust safety features, including overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating protection. Certified to TV and ANSI standards, this welder is built for durability and your safety, backed by a 2-year service warranty. What we like. This welder offers both stick and lift TIG capabilities in a super lightweight and portable package. If you need a versatile machine for outdoor maintenance, garage work, or farm repairs and value ease of transport, this is an ideal choice. Its synergic control makes it beginner-friendly while still offering adjustability for professionals. What people say. The welder is surprisingly lightweight and portable, making it easy to move around the workshop or take to different job sites. It features a digital display that clearly shows amperage and wire speed, allowing for precise adjustments and consistent welds. The included ground clamp has a strong magnetic hold, ensuring a secure connection even on irregular surfaces. Number 1. AZZUNO 200A 4-in-1 MIG Welder. Introducing a powerful 4-in-1 welding machine that combines Flux-Cored MIG, gas MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding into one unit. It offers 4 versatile modes to meet all your metalworking needs. Experience effortless welding with intelligent synergic control. Simply set the amperage or wire diameter, and it automatically optimizes voltage and wire speed, making it perfect for beginners and experts alike. This welder supports both Flux-Cored wire for gasless operation and solid wire for gas MIG welding. It handles various wire spools and sizes, allowing you to weld materials up to 5/16-inch thick. Enjoy reliable lift TIG welding and robust stick welding performance. It's compatible with specific TIG torches and supports E6013 electrodes for general repair and fabrication. This 200A welding machine delivers strong performance, capable of welding mild steel up to 8.0 mm thick. It's designed with built-in overload and overheat protection for safe and reliable operation. Ensure a stable connection by firmly tightening the cable connector after insertion. Always double-check both locking mechanisms before use for optimal performance and safety. What we like. This 4-in-1 welder integrates Flux-Cored MIG, gas MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding, offering exceptional versatility for a wide range of metalworking needs. If you need a single machine that can handle various welding tasks, from thick steel to intricate TIG work, and appreciate the convenience of dual voltage for different power sources, this is a strong contender. Its intelligent synergic control simplifies setup for all skill levels. What people say. This MIG welder is a great value for the price, offering excellent performance for both hobbyists and professionals. The machine is lightweight and portable, making it easy to move around the workshop or take to different job sites. It features a user-friendly interface with clear controls, allowing for quick setup and adjustments. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.